Understanding Screencasting, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and useful term in the digital world, screencasting. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone interested in technology, understanding this concept can be incredibly beneficial. So, let's dive in and learn all about screencasting. Screencasting is a digital recording method where you capture everything happening on your computer screen. It's like a camera that records not the outside world, but what's happening on your screen, from moving the cursor to typing an email. Screencasts can include audio narration, making them a powerful tool for tutorials, presentations, or even demonstrating software usage. Screencasting is versatile and has many applications. It's commonly used in 1. Educational videos. Teachers create instructional videos to explain concepts. 2. Software demonstrations. Tech companies showcase how their software works. 3. Online courses. Instructors record lectures for students to watch remotely. 4. Problem solving. IT professionals record troubleshooting steps to help users. There are various tools available for screencasting, each with its unique features. Some popular ones include OBS Studio, a free and open-source software that's great for live streaming and recording. Camtasia, known for its editing features, ideal for professional quality videos. Loom, a user-friendly tool perfect for quick, informal screencasts. To make your screencasts engaging and clear, consider these tips. Plan your content, outline what you want to show and say. Clear narration, speak slowly and clearly. Highlight important features, use mouse effects or annotations to draw attention. Edit for clarity, trim unnecessary parts and add captions if needed. And that's all about screencasting. Whether you're planning to create your own screencasts or just wanted to understand this digital tool, we hope this video has been informative. Remember, screencasting is a skill. The more you practice, the better you get. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.